Today, I'll be showing you how to make the ultimate apple sour cream cake with a cinnamon pecan brown sugar topping. This cake has it all: texture and crunch, tart and sweet. All you really need are some pantry staples, sour cream, nuts of choice, and apples to make this. Welcome back, my name is Daniel, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes that your friends and family will love. Now let's get started on this sour cream apple cake. Start by measuring out 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Whisk all these dry ingredients together to combine well. Then set it aside. Add 1/3 cup of softened room temperature butter to a large bowl, and add 2/3 cup of white sugar. Cream the butter and sugar together well until it becomes pale in color. Make sure the butter is soft. It will make the step way easier. Crack in 2 eggs and whisk that in well until the mixture looks yellow, glossy, and smooth. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir that in. Then set it aside. We'll be using 2 medium to large apples in this recipe. I'm using green Granny Smith apples, but you could use any type of baking apple you wish. Peel and core the apples using your preferred method. Then, dice them up into 1/2-inch bite-sized pieces. I have made this cake with thin apple slices before and it works just as well, so that's an option too. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1/3 cup of milk into the wet ingredients and stir it in. Then add the dry ingredients in 3 to 4 parts. Fold it in, but do not overmix or you will get a tough cake. Add in 2/3 cup of sour cream in 2 to 3 parts and stir it into the batter. Repeat this step multiple times, alternating between the flour and the sour cream until everything is well combined. My original recipe calls for 1 cup of sour cream and no milk at all, but I ran out of sour cream. If you have enough, use all sour cream and leave out the milk. Add the apples into the batter and gently fold it in. You will notice the batter is quite thick. This is totally normal because it will absorb all the liquid that the apples release while it bakes. In a 9 by 9 inch square pan lined with a well-greased parchment paper, pour the batter in. Make sure to spread it out evenly and all the corners are filled. For the topping, roughly chop 1/2 cup of nuts. I'm using pecans today, but use whatever you have on hand. Walnuts are also a fantastic option here. I also like to keep some pieces larger for appearance and better crunch. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar to the nuts and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Give this all a quick stir to combine. Then, pour in 1 tablespoon of melted butter and stir that all in. The mixture should look very dark brown in color. Sprinkle this topping all over the apple cake evenly. Now it's ready to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 35 minutes, or when the cake underneath the topping is lightly golden brown. Check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. And there you have it, a delicious apple sour cream cake with a phenomenal cinnamon pecan topping that your friends and family will love. This cake is perfect for afternoon tea or enjoyed as a dessert any time of the day. Don't be surprised if it gets completely devoured within minutes. Hope you enjoy! Alright, it is time for the taste test. I am really excited about this. It smells so good as I was baking. I could smell the cinnamon and the apples in the air. Oh, first bite, here we go. Just savoring that bite. That's really good. It's the perfect cake. Can't even describe it that would do it justice because it's that good. The apples and the cinnamon, of course, work so well together along with the brown sugar. The pecans go so well with the apples. It's just, oh, you gotta try this one. All right, second bite, here we go. I also use Granny Smith apples, so those green apples in this recipe. And I think they work really well, but you can use whatever kind of apples you like. The tartness of the apples balances the sweetness and richness of the cake. And this is everything you want from a sour cream apple cake. It's got the texture, the crunch from the apples and the pecans. It's also got the moist and softness from the cake itself. I really hope you try this one out because your friends and family are gonna absolutely love this one. I guarantee it, you will also love this one. And you're gonna be making it over and over and over again because it is that good. And as always, if you like this recipe, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you like to eat your sour cream apple cake with. And remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I'll see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone.